Taking off. Whoops, never mind.
Somebody coming in.
Again.
Where'd he go?
Went out of control again?
Yeah.
That'd be your radio.
Taking off.
Get rid of it.
Danny, you want to make the deal on my Catawba? Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
What the hell was that about?
I don't know, but it's still looking a little... Are you on the right model?
Oh God, I hope I'm on the B-17.
I was going to say, that seemed like you were on the wrong model the way it took off. The way it's dipping. I think you're on... Yeah, you might want to check that. You might be on the wrong model.
Landing.
Are you on the wrong model?
I don't know.
I think so. Because, boy, that thing's all over the place. Emergency landing. Yeah.
Yeah, it does now. It doesn't want to come down.
Yeah, it's on the wrong.
I'm gonna have to go around. I know I switched models, but
sometimes it doesn't take.
Yeah.
Because I have a Fataba too.
Okay. Oh man, I'm all over this guy on there.
Nice job.
All right. Good deal.
Nice job.